What's up, YouTube, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It is me back here with another Floodescape video. Today we're back at Floodescape 2. So, the next video is actually going to be Tower of Fun, which is actually Pro Mod. Actually, that'll be next video. But Epic Minigames, it's just not dead. It's just on a little bit of break. It'll come after Tower of Fun Pro Mod. Thanks. Alright, let's get on to it, shall we, everyone? Ooh. We just need to wait. Wait, like this. That's better. Alright, fall in, let's go. I love Fallen. Fallen. Super, super easy. Alright. Hello, noob. What's up? Yeah. Come on, noob, you can do it. Wow, you're good. Jeez, noob is good. I never seen a pro noob in my life. Look at this guy. Look at that guy. Look at that. Look at that. Foolish level. This game is too easy. Oh, no, no, no! Dang it. Sometimes I die. Sometimes I die in the Fallen. But that's okay. Just a stupid thing. But yeah, guys. Even you guys also been waiting for a reaction video. Which, that will actually be a series. It'll be a series. And also, I post 10 videos a day, maybe more. So, yeah. Alright. Ew, poor levels. Come on, I'm on harder levels. Oh well. I'm about to get leveled up right here. As you can guys see right there. I think I'm about to get leveled up. I don't really know. Anyways, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Hey. Alright, you go get it. Alright. Alright. No, no. Yeah, watch while I'm walking. Alright. Oh no! Oh. Just go, guys. I'll catch up. There we go. Alright. Eek. Eek. Okay, I'm here. Don't worry, guys. I'm here. Wait a sec. What is this? A live action video? I don't. I don't do live actions until I get 1,000 subs. Choo, choo, choo. Here. Yeah. Anyways, how you doing, girl? Oh, I'm doing really good. How are you? Good boy. Just fine. Ooh, lava tower. I want to do lava tower. Come on, guys. Let's do a lava tower. I'm gonna vote another 10. Yeah. Lava tower's my favorite. Yeah. You go get it. Go get it. Go, you go get it. You go get it. Go get it. Go get whatever. I thank you, mate. Thanks, mate. Thanks, mate. Oh no! I always miss the jump button. But we can wait quick like this. That's better. Alright. Alright. Wait. No. Hey, I gotta do this. It's important. I know Mike's behind. Wait, come on, Mike. You waiting for? What are you even waiting for? Is that a Sonic reference or what? Oh no. Oh no. Okay, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. What? Wait, I can't get out. Drawing it. You found a lost page. Yay! But I died. Oh well. I poor level. Mm, alright. I have one. Go, 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 go. Alright. Alright. Hurry up, mate. It's gonna fall. Good. Alright, guys, I'll go get it. Oh, never mind. Alrighty. I guess this one should be good. Alright. Joint. Oh well. Alright. I'll go get that button. I do have no idea. What? What? Never mind. Ah, no. Okay. I. Yeah. I'll beat it. That's not my pose. Alright. Yeah. Alright, let's do that level. I want a normal hard level. There you go. Yes. Okay. Okay. I don't think I remember all of them though. I think I know. Oh. Alright. Oh, you fail. Oh my gosh, you guys are so stupid. You guys have no idea what I be. Okay. I, Alright, go get it. Come on, we already played this level. What I'm doing? Not big surprise! Alright, everyone. Let's play this level again. Just a little hard. A little hard. I. You know why that's hard? It's because of that part that I just got on the ladder and just jump off. That was like way hard. Like that. Yeah. What? Alright, guys. There we go. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Make sure to comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.